guys, today I'm going to show you a really cool feature. Canva just dropped. If you're a pro user, you're going to love this. Now, this strategy you can use multiple ways. I'm going to show you how to use this email strategy in Canva when you want to send a one-off in your Gmail. Why am I teaching on this? After using multiple CRMs for years, including my own, one thing that I know is CRMs can be finicky when it comes to where it sends your email. It might end up in promotions. It could end up in spam. This is just a common thing that I have experienced in things like KV Core, Follow Up Boss, Lofty, Chime, even KV Core Command. I've seen and talked with agents that this is a problem that exists. And even if you warm up your email properly and you do all the right steps, it's not a guarantee. So what I like to do when it comes to a one-off, not a drip email, but a one-off, if I develop and create and craft a lead and I want to send them a really powerful email, this is the strategy that you want to use. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to log in to Canva, okay? Now, I go ahead and log into Canva, and the first thing I'm going to do is go to templates. There is an email tab. Go ahead and click it. And you're going to notice this is a new feature. Now they have these pre-built email templates. I don't need to use any of those. I don't want to create a one-off that's that intricate. I'm going to create a blank email. Now, for the purpose of this email, I'm going to show you how I do this in ChatGPT. And then I'm going to show you how to get it over to your Gmail. So let's open up ChatGPT. And we're going to go ahead and tell Chat what we are doing. For this one, this is going to be a foreclosure hypothetical lead. The client's name is Jim Smith. His phone number, which is irrelevant, so we don't care about that. But Jim Smith's address is 123 Granite Bay, Orlando, Florida, 34711. That's a made-up address. It's fake. And he is currently going through a pre-foreclosure. He is being pressured by the bank. So there's the niche. There's the lead that I attracted. And let's go ahead now. ChatGPT, I need you to help me create an email to a lead that responded to one of my forms. This is a client. His name is Jim Smith at 123 Granite Bay in Orlando, Florida. I want you to craft an email that I can send to him. And the email needs to be upbeat. It needs to be positive. I'd like you to tell Jim in the opening paragraph a little bit about me, Kelly Wheeler, the real estate ninja. I've got 40 agents on my team nationally, and I absolutely love working with families that are going through a possible foreclosure to see if we can help them either save their home or their equity. And then in the base of the email, let's talk about their options. Now, I don't want to get too specific on the options. I want them to call me for them, but let them know they have options, including potentially saving the home. Let them know that we have developed relationships with local attorneys who will offer free consultations. And then the call to action is to call or text Kelly Wheeler, the real estate ninja, at 407-832-6604 so that the client can reach out to me specifically. And again, I want this email to be upbeat, positive. This particular client is already getting letters, calls from the bank. They are very much living in fear. I want to bring an air of optimism and let them know that I will fight for them. So guys, if you'll notice, I went a little overboard with that, but tell Chat everything. And then if you have to, if you don't like the email, have Chat refine certain spots of it. Let's go ahead. Let's see what Chat comes up with. All right. I already love the subject. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that subject. I'm going to go back to Canva now. And right up here where it has the title, I'm going to put the subject. So that's going to show up as the subject of the email. Now we're going to go back here and I'm going to say, hey, Jim, thanks for reaching out. I'm going to just copy all of this. I'm going to bring this over to, now for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm not going to go through the email and get it perfect. That's up to you to do. I'm going to act as if that email is perfect. I'm going to drop it in here. And the next thing I want to do is I want to resize this. We're going to bring this down to about 16 maybe. There we go. And right here, it says Real Estate Ninja. I am going to do something like this. I'm going to go over here and hit red. There we go. There we go. I like that. I like that. So if that's the email that I want to go with, I'm ready to go. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to now send this to Gmail. Please understand, the very first time you are going to use the email tab, it will provoke you or hint at you to go ahead and sync your email. It took less than a minute, and we were able to sync my Gmail. So I'm going to come up here to the share button, and I'm going to hit this Gmail tab. So we're already synced in Canva. And then I'm going to export. Now, while this is doing its job, you notice at the bottom, it's already done it. It's now brought up the email, right? And so here's what it looks like. There's the subject line that I grabbed from chat, and I simply made it the title of that particular email campaign. Y'all saw how I did it. Here is the email, right? That's the email. Then all you have to do is put his information here. Now, let me just drop back. This works great when they opt in, but guys, if you use sites like Redx, if you use Landvoice, or my personal favorite, My Plus Leads, the data is amazing. And if you want a free trial for 30 days to My Plus Leads, where you can get FSBOs, expireds, neighborhood data, and foreclosure leads, just go to myplusninja.com, register for your free 30 days, and guys, go get yourself hundreds of free leads, right? myplusninja.com, 30-day free trial. Now, all I have to do if I go into My Plus Leads is ask for a list of foreclosures for the last 7 days. Say there's 5 of them in my city. Then just grab the email address, because most of these are going to come with their contact information, and put it here. And then hit send. And guys, that is Canva's brand new email design template. Sky's the limit. You can create amazing emails. And again, you're going to want to sync it with whatever email provider you're using that they are synced with. They're synced with a lot of the major ones. And you can now create amazing emails. When this email goes through, it's going to look just like a constant contact email. It won't look like the standard traditional email. All right, guys, that's it. If you have Canva Pro, make sure you get in there and play around with this. I've already created emails that I'm using as a saved template in Gmail for FSBOs, expireds, people that are online searching for the term realtor. I have a way to capture those leads. They're getting emails from me. Neighborhood data that I pull, they'll get these emails. So guys, go ahead and play around with it. If you got Canva Pro, this is a game changer in my position and my point. You guys are going to love it. Come back to this video. If you create an email, come back to the video and drop a comment on how that went for you. What did you think about it? All right, guys, if you want to know how you can take this to the next level and completely automate everything, I'm talking about your lead generation, your direct mail, your email campaigns, your funnels. If you want to know how to do all of that, then do me a favor. Go ahead and go to this website, or look down in the description. I'm going to put a link for my webinar. Go check out my Geo Unlimited. Literally will automate your entire life when it comes to your marketing, your direct mail, guys, your email campaigns. It is a beast. Go check it out and see if you like it. All right, that's it for this one, guys. Enjoy Canva and start making those emails in their templates. I think your clients are going to respond better than just a generic email you put together as a text. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Again, subscribe, hit the bell. Let me know what you thought about this in the comments. I'd love to hear your feedback. Until the next video, go out and get you some dadgum closings.